Universal's Aventura Hotel, and we're going to show you what a standard king room looks like. So come with us.
Let's check it out.
All right, here we are. So this is a standard king room. As you can see, it's got a sleeper sofa. It's got a king size bed, so it does sleep up to 4 people. They have these cool iPads that control everything with the room. And from lights to your temperature control to contacting the front desk, everything can be done from the iPad.
It's very like a tech savvy room where you're able to really kind of, you can see the modern like fittings.
Yes.
It's very, I would say it's technology driven / modern.
They actually have a coffee maker, which is, we travel a lot. This is becoming a rarity to have a coffee maker in the room. So they do have a coffee maker, little desk, pretty good sized bathroom. So if you've got 4 people, it's really good. We spoke to Amanda and Lisa, and they did say that when it comes to the bathrooms, that you can request a tub shower combo. So if your clients have little kids who like to have baths, make sure that you request a tub shower combo for them. There's not a ton on property. They have gone to more this shower style, but it is requestable at all the properties at Universal Orlando Resort. And then it's got a nice kind of full closet over here. So you can see.
Safe. They have an iron. Ooh, let me get this a little bit brighter. And of course, extra blankets and everything for the pull-out.
And our backpacks.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I mean, this is a great size room. As a standard room, the views we'll show you. This is one overlooking Cabana Bay.
We're on floor 6.
Yeah. So it's just a standard view. I mean, this hotel has kind of a 360-degree view of the entire property. So some will look over Volcano Bay, others will look over Cabana Bay, others will look over Sapphire Falls and Universal Studios. So it's definitely a nicely appointed room.
Yeah.
And a great option for your clients to check out.
Yeah. Hope you liked.